Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Alexis Sanderson. She is 9 years old. She has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy, and she has just enough to support to be able to almost stand. She can walk with two handhelds or trunk support, but is unable to stand independently. In order to work on some ability to take a step, two steps independently, one of the ways I can set that up is having her stand with her back to the wall and then taking a step toward me. In order to do that, I get to put a child with her feet as close together and as close to the wall as possible. So let's slide her back, slide her back, slide her back, put her against the wall. Alexis, can you walk to me? Do you remember? You gotta lean this way. You have to lean out here. Come here, and take a step. I know it. I know it's kind of exciting. Lean this way. Lean this way. Come here. Lean your head out here. Lean your head out here. You gotta come forward. You gotta come forward. Ah! You're leaning back. You gotta come forward. So this is one of the reasons I like to have their feet as far back as possible, so it helps them tilt forward to be able to take a step. The feet as close together as possible. You ready? Here it comes. Ready? Feet together as close to the wall as possible. All right, you gotta lean out here and come to me. You gotta lean out here and come to me. Come on this way. Oh! That's it, Alexis. Nice job. So it's a really fun way to work on beginning walking support, She's just ready to take a couple of steps. She's not going to walk across the room this way, but it's a fun way to work on that beginning stepping with her back to the wall, feet very close to the wall and together to make her more likely to take steps. Hope this is helpful, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.